Your floors are dirty right now, and you don't even know how dirty. Between work, kids, and life, vacuuming is the last thing you want to do. And doing it yourself, it never feels like enough. Pet hair hiding under the couch, crumbs in every corner, dust building up while you sleep. It's a never-ending battle. Until now, meet the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum. 5,200 power of suction that vacuums and mops in one pass. Smart obstacle avoidance navigates your whole home automatically. Personalized schedules mean it works for your life. And when it's done, it charges itself. Stop cleaning your floors. Let ROPVACNIC do it for you. Tap the link below and get yours today. Clean floors, zero effort. That's the deal.